So I've been using this film camera for about 6 months now, and even with the recent shortage of film stock in my city, I was still able to shoot in quite a few scenarios. And I wanted to make a video to show you what I've learned about using the Widelux Panoramic Camera. And that is, I still don't know what I'm doing. The Widelux was first introduced in 1958 by the Pan Camera Shunga company from Japan. It's a 35mm film camera, but instead of a conventional shutter, it has like a barrel with a slit that lets the light go through as it goes from side to side, so exposes more length of the film than the 3:2 aspect ratio, giving it a panorama look at the expense of some distortion. This camera was made popular recently by the actor Jeff Bridges, who released a photo book of behind the scenes from his movies, taken mostly with a Widelux, as the panoramic view blends in nicely with the film productions, as if it were still part of the movie itself. And man, these are good, not only as pieces of movie history, but they're interesting to see. Composition, light, subjects, the panorama lens makes it even more immersive, and the distortion gives it a rough look, like it balances the whole image, but not making it completely clean. They're honestly just great to see.
Buena tarde, Leonardo.
Gracias. No, no se preocupe.
Seguimos ahí en el tiempo para empezar,
¿Mande?
para tener algo de tiempo.
Sí,
para poder-
evidencia.
Voy a hacer una. O sea, ese juego va a ocupar su tiempo, se va a dar cuenta de lo que voy a hacer. Y esa toma aérea se va a ver chingona.
This has been my problem most of the time while shooting. I feel like I'm not in control of the image. The viewfinder doesn't give you a correct perspective of what you're trying to frame. The limited slow shutter speeds makes it harder to shoot in broad daylight, and even more if your stock is above 200 ISO. Also, adding that the one my cousin lent to me can shoot with one of the only 3 shutter speeds it has, the 1/10 of a second. So trying to shoot in dark interiors is almost out of the question. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to bash on the camera because you're supposed to work around it, to turn its shortcomings into features and to take advantage of the unique look it gives you. But maybe I'm just pouring into it my own frustrations about not being the place I wish I was or doing the things I want to do. Maybe the camera only asks you to shoot and have fun with it. Maybe you don't have to think about it that much. To load some film and go out to take pictures without any worry in mind. To be fascinated again with everything you see. To be cheesy and romantic about film, even though it's hell expensive now. To capture great photos. And I think that's what I want. Thank you for watching.